Ultrasonic filter welding machine is a device specially developed for the efficient production of dust filter elements. The whole machine is built with high-strength aluminum profiles. PLC automatic system precisely controls fitting filter elements with a width of 0 to 920 mm and a length of 0 to 3 meters can be produced by this equipment. Different from the traditional filter element, which is glued together, the ultrasonic welded filter element and the strap are more firmly bonded, which can be used in high-temperature occasions. The strap will never fall off and the service life will be longer.